Hey guys, welcome back to this lecture, different exporters for different needs. So in this lecture we will see what are the exporters available to us, and we will see if we can justify our requirements for, or the exporters can justify our requirements. So let us quickly jump onto this presentation. So you can see it here. It has a huge list of exporters for different categories, okay, like databases, issue tracker, continuous integration, or HTTP or APIs. So let us quickly touch each and every section a little bit. So the very first is databases. So if you want to monitor your MySQL, if you are running in EC2 machine as an ad hoc server, you can use the MySQL MySQL exporter, SQL exporter. You can use the PostgreSQL exporter, MongoDB exporter. So there are multiple exporters available, and you can use these exporters and run them in different forms, whether as a container or as a process. So it's completely on you. Okay, the next is issue trackers and continuous integration. So in this category, it comes with Bamboo exporter. So these are the tools which are basically used by CI and for the Jira or issue tracking. Okay, like Jira exporter, Jenkins exporter, Confluence exporter, etc. The next is messaging systems. Messaging systems, this category basically involves those queue system where we use the like MQTT, okay, EMQ, okay, and Kafka kind of things. Okay, so in for those kind of requirements, we can use messaging systems. The next is storage. For storage, we are using HDFS, Hadoop storage, okay, or any other kind of storage which exporter is available, then we can take a look over it. Next is logging. Although our Prometheus monitoring system is completely and is majorly works in the metric field, so it basically gives you the monitoring based upon the metrics that are coming, but it also supports the logging exporter here like Fluentd, Google's MTail log data extractor, or Grok exporter. Using these exporters, it can read the logs and presents, or you can create the metrics out of those logs. Okay, so this is where these logging exporters comes in handy. Now the next is HTTP. Like if you have Nginx, Apache, HAProxy, or Squid, or TinyProxy, Varnish WebDriver. So these kind of exporters are available in HTTP. You can use them directly along with your process. The next is APIs. Okay, so there are ECS exporter. Okay, that's great. SQS, AWS Health Exporter, Azure Health Exporter. So you can use these exporters to export the metrics related to different resources. You can see there the health exporter is very helpful if you want to automate or you want to bring the AWS health dashboard over your Prometheus or Grafana. Okay, so then you can use these exporters. Cloudflare, DigitalOcean, Docker Hub, Docker Cloud, Gmail exporter. Wow, so it's a really good list of exporters that are available. Now the next is other monitoring system. So it includes additional exporter which you get, like JMX exporter for all the Java processes. Okay, you have Google Stackdriver exporter, so you can integrate your Stackdriver with the Prometheus. Okay, CloudWatch exporter you have, and you have InfluxDB store exporter, Prometer. So these are all the exporters available to you for the use. So this is not the complete list. The entire list of exporter you can get in the Prometheus official documentations. Okay, so this was about the exporters. Now in the upcoming lectures we will see a few exporters, how to install them and use them. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.